Hi, in this video, we're going to learn how to get the best out of chats, not just for yourself, but also along with your teammates. We're going to take a simple example where we create an About Us page for one of our clients. What I'll do, I'm going to pick my preferred shared brain, which is marketing, go to chats, and start a new chat. Once I do that, I'm going to land in this screen where I can see a chat input section, a Thunderbolt icon, a document, and on the left-hand side, this drop-down appears where I can access all the models that I've integrated with Weam AI. Currently, we have Hugging Face, GPT, and will soon be rolling out support for Gemini and Claude. On the right-hand side screen, I can see all the people who can access this chat because they are part of the same brain that I am in. I can make this chat and add to favorite, and once I'm done with this chat, I can also share it with anyone I want. Let's start the conversation. Starting with a simple hi, the GPT will respond. For my request, I'm just gonna type whatever I want and use a couple of tools offered by V in order to fast track the process. I need a landing page or about us page for one of my clients. I want you to keep this page simple and to the point. Along with texts, I need your suggestions on what visuals I can add in this page. Once I do that, I'm going to use prompts and pick this prompt because this prompt is not just a simple prompt, but it will act as a client profile for me. This prompt has already all the information that I want to give to GPT. It has all the contextual information on what my client is all about, what kind of services do they provide, what's the mission, what's their industry is all about, what's the target audience is. Every time you make a request to ChatGPT and you have to give this contextual information on client information, that is very tiring. Instead, I've created a prompt out of it, which I can use again and again, not just myself, but also everyone in my team. I'm just going to use this prompt and here is my client profile and all the information about the client is here. I'm going to hit enter and the GPT is going to do its magic. Let's wait for 2 seconds and see what GPT provides us. Okay, so using the prompt and the general intelligence of the GPT, this a use case is ready. Uh, the About Us pages look simple. They have mentioned all the brands. They have mentioned all the services. They have mentioned what the commitment is and contact us details. And along with that, they have shared some visual suggestions as well. Now, for example, if I do not want this paragraph to sound like this, I can simply select the text and edit. We're calling it the refine. What I can do, make it sound simple and conversational. Once I hit that, the GPT will make another request and it is going to give me a new version. Yes. So here it turns. Now we are all about giving you great automotive experience, whether you are in the market for shiny new cars or dependable used ones. And yeah, I do find this useful. They have all the contact information as well. I think this is meeting my goal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tag a couple of my teammates to take this forward. In here, you can reply in thread and mention people that work with you. Please take this forward. I find this content useful. And my teammates are instantly going to get notified and they can take this forward. There are some other options in the response. You can fork chat. You can save this as a prompt. You can also copy this entire text and take it somewhere else. Forking chat is extremely useful when you want to take the context of a conversation from one conversation to another. It's useful. From here, I can take whatever the conversation has happened, make a summary out of it, and take it to another brain, which I can pick here. I can do that and I can fork this chat. That means now I can take directly the context, move that conversation to another brain, which is very useful when you are experimenting on a private brain and then you want that conversation to move forward along with your teammates. Not just that, I'm gonna share another example where using prompts and combination with prompts and custom bots is useful. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a custom bot that I've created earlier. It's called LinkedIn Superman, and I'm gonna use this bot. Use this bot, and I'm gonna plug the prompt of my client. Now I'm using the combination of prompts and bot. I want you to create a simple LinkedIn post that shows Black Friday 2024 offer for my client. We are offering 20% off on all cars. This is a deal too good to be true, but for the sake of example, let's do it. Here is my client profile. As you can see, I didn't have to write too much about the client. All this information is here. I'm just going to hit enter. And now the GPT will use the combination of the bot and the prompt along and give me this simple. Where? Louisiana. When? Black Friday 2024. Hey, was there city and beyond? Get ready to dive into the holiday season with our incredible Black Friday offer. This is perfect. I like it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just again tag my teammates. Please take a visual out of it. So you see, this is not just an individual space. This is a shared brain. That means I, along with my teammates, can work together on multiple use cases, work on various use cases, refine them together, make them more uh, according to our needs or our client's need, and get the best out of chats. I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much.